So today is our last day of August, which is August 31. And we are on our 26th day ng ating daily vlog. So today, since last day na ng August, what I normally do is that I review my performance for that month. So ngayon, sasamahan niyo ako kung paano ako magre-review ng naging performance ng trades natin for this month. What went wrong, what went right. That is why sobrang importante na meron kayong mga journal. Kasi kung hindi kayo journal, paano kayo magre-review, di ba? So right now, what we will be using specifically for our review is itong si TradeZalla kasi mas madali siyang basahin, intindihin, and nakasummarize na siya. But of course, prior showing the TradeZalla, I have to show you first the MyFX book kasi syempre, gusto niya yung directly connected sa mga live accounts, diba? Gusto niya talaga na, audit ko talaga live account ba yan or demo account ba yan? So we're currently here sa ating MyFX book. So, ito yung ginagamit ko, yung Lady Danielle manual trade. So, ito yung open natin ngayon. So, right now, ayan guys, this is real account, XS, with 162,000 na leverage, and we're using MT5. And right now, ito yung nag-reflect sa atin. We have a total of 144.72% for the month of August. Okay? So, nag-deposit tayo ng 2,000. Ayan. Nagkaroon tayo ng withdrawal na $900. So, nag-withdraw na ako ng $900 para at least yung kalahati na nakuha na natin, na-secure na natin, kumbaga. So, I always make sure na nakakapag-withdraw tayo just to make sure na nag-ROI tayo. So, that's my ultimate goal. And our total profit is $2,392. So, nag-ROI na tayo actually. So, pwede ko nang withdrawin yung total of 2,000 na yan para at least secured na natin yung ating dineposit. Risk-free trading na tayo, kumbaga. So, for our growth is, you can see, hindi consistent yung growth natin. There are times talaga na nagkakaroon tayo ng mga drawdowns, losses, and which is magre-reflect naman yan dito. And right now, for our profitability, ayan, out of 448 trades, 310 trades natin is winning. And then 138 trades natin is losing. Ayan, which represents 31% and 69% sa winning trades natin, which is a good percentage na rin, guys, 'di ba? And ayan, so ito yung nag-reflect sa August natin, 144%. So, since nakita nyo na-audit nyo na dito sa MyFX book, which is makukuha nyo rin naman itong MyFX book, nandiyan lang sa may bio ko yan sa Facebook. Punta naman tayo sa TradeZalla. So, here sa TradeZalla, makikita nyo na we have a total of $1,623. Kasi probably, hindi siya like exactly nag-reflect dito sa MyFX book dahil merong mga kinakalculate si TradeZalla na wala sa MyFX book. Diba? So, mas kinukonsider ko si MyFX book ay si TradeZalla na mas accurate. Okay, so isa-isa na natin tong ating TradeZalla. So, we have a total of 65.91% to trade with, which is actually mga 261 wins and 135 losses, which is actually, this is a solid accuracy rate. Here naman sa profit factor, dito natin makikita kung mas labang ba yung losses sa profit. So in this case, profits are slightly higher than losses. However, yung risk-reward ko is not that optimal. So hindi rin maganda to average win and loss natin kasi I have an average total win of $47 and average losses of $79. So we have to improve this area. So kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, meron tayo ditong drawdown naman sa net PNL. May kita nyo, ayan. For the whole August to, guys, yung mga greens, itong red natin, ayan. Nag-range from 1,600 to 1,800. Meaning, yung risk exposure natin, medyo mataas siya. So, we have to improve this on September. So, kung makikita natin, ayan. Mapapansin natin, meron akong mga note dyan. So, here, ang sabi ni TradeZalla, ayan, overconfident daw ako. And then, I have an unusual number of trades, which is supposedly, nasa 17 lang naman yung average ko. Pero umabot ako ng 31. And then, I'm giving away profits daw. And then, yung average loss ko exceeds average win. And I know, meron ako note dito eh. So, ito yung aking journal. So, I wasn't feeling well, since it was my first day of my period, ayan. So, yung energy ko was quite low and I was very emotional. So, I also felt impatient and restless. So, dito in-explain ko lang bakit yun yung naging setup ko. Ayan, I sold too early before the trendline confirmation. So, medyo napaaga-aga ako na ng trade dyan. Tapos, nag-overtrade din ako. Ayan. So, yan, nililista ko lahat dyan. I became too emotional with my trades. Ayan, nag-revenge trade din ako after losing. I left trades open while I slept, diba? So, good things I did today. Ayan, at least I recognize my mistakes, diba? So basically, tingnan natin lahat nilalag ang nangyari, bakit tayo nagkaroon ng ganitong loss. And then, I know, meron din ako dito na nilag ko rin to. We had a total of $1,348 na loss, and ganun din, overconfidence, unusual number of trades, giving away profits, and average loss exceeds. So, same pa din. Pero may note din tayo dito, of course. Ayan. So, halos same lang din naman. Now, tingnan naman natin to. We had strong days nung, like this, ito, August 11. We were able to generate $502. August 18 din, ayan, $70. August 21, we have a total of $293. And ito, August 25 now, we were able to generate $1,170. And ito naman yung dalawa, yan, which is August 19 and August 29. These are actually 2 heavy loss days. It has wiped out a large portion of my monthly gains, di ba? Imagine yung pinag-ipunan mo for how many days na profit mo, mawa-wipe out lang siya in just one trade na mali, di ba? But the good thing is, most days are green. But when my red days hit, they're very heavy. So, nag-over-leveraging tayo. And then, we are failing with the risk-reward ratio. So, discipline pa rin talaga, di ba? Imagine niyo, I've been in the trading industry for almost 6 years. Pero talagang tinatamaan pa talaga ng emosyon and disiplina. Pero the good thing is, yung account natin actually grew steadily from $2,000 to $5,000 before I suffered from 2 sharp drops. Which is yung August 19 and August 20. Parang malas tayo sa 9, no? But still, we were able to close the month profitable. But of course, with high volatility dun sa account natin. Ano yung mga key issues na we need to address here? Number 1 is the risk-reward imbalance. Kasi nakita nyo dito, di ba, yung average win ko is 47.5 and then yung average loss ko is 79.7. So, I need to flip this ratio. Kahit siguro mga 66% na win rate. Pero syempre, pag masyado malaking losses natin, then definitely maapektuhan yung profitability rate natin. And another that I have to address is yung overtrading ko during red days. Kasi too many trades in one day can actually magnify the mistakes. And lastly, number 3 is kung paano ko i-handle emotions ko and yung recovery trades ko. Kasi yung mga losses ko, it suggests revenge trading after drawdown. So, nagre-reflect siya sa trade ko. Imagine nyo, from these numbers, nagkakaroon ng reflection. Nakikita ko exactly yung reflection how I reacted from that specific day because of my specific drawdown, because of my losses, and kung paano ako nag-trade because of my emotions, diba? So, talagang yung trade nyo will reflect on you talaga. But still, a top for me. Kasi we have this consistent winning days. 72% ng August were actually green. So, I'm still happy. And syempre, resiliency yan. Resilient tayo. Kasi we still ended the month with profit. At diba, at the end of the day, syempre, yung buong buwan naman natin, profit naman kahit may mga losses. Okay pa rin yan. So, for our action plan this coming September, which is tomorrow na, so we have to set the max daily loss. Actually, 30% kasi ang maximum drawdown ko. But right now, probably I'll be putting $300 maximum per day. So, once it reaches $300 drawdown, I'll stop trading. And then, I also have to improve my risk-to-reward ratio this coming September. Dapat ang target ko is 1:1.5 or 1:2. Para at least, even if my accuracy drops to 55%, 50%, profitable pa rin tayo. And then, I'll also control my trade volume. Maximum 10 to 15 per day. Okay, lady? 10 to 15 per day only. Kasi we really have to stop over trading, especially if the market conditions quite unclear or unpredictable. And of course, continue lang natin pag-journal. Kahit kayo, kung may mga losses kayo, i-journal nyo yan. So that's for our August. And still, I would like to congratulate everyone. Syempre, lalo na yung mga naka-profit dyan, na mga part ng community natin. Inopen ko in public yung mga analysis ko, yung mga insights ko sa ating Telegram community. So, sinesend ko yan every single day. So, I'm very much transparent dyan. Nakita nyo on how I analyze the market, how I send my trading ideas. And congratulations, syempre, kung nakakopya kayo. Kasi most definitely, kung ito yung resulta ng trades ko, ito yung resulta ng trade nyo, diba? Kung nag-follow kayo sa signal ko, diba? So, ayun naman, guys. And that's for our end of month review. And I'm really happy na kahit August, ghost month, we were able to generate profit. So again, thank you guys. That's for our vlog today. See you all tomorrow.